We are 24/7 working here, and I'm very grateful to the men and women who are working there right now 24/7. Araw-gabi ang trabaho dyan ngayon. We are now in 2 weeks at 40-something%. No? 40.2%. No? So we are on track to finish this based on the President's timeline. Sabi ng Pangulo, hindi natin pwedeng hindi magawa ito agad-agad kasi ano ngayon? Harvest season. No? Kailangan ng mga magsasaka nating idaan ang kanilang mga produkto dyan. So right now, we're working as fast as we can, and we are at 40% in 2 weeks. So hopefully, we can make our deadline, or even beat our deadline. No? So we will continuously give you updates on that. Now, we have also been informed na may mga sections dun sa Detour Road na problematic, no, na meaning bako-bako, etc., etc. So I'd like to pass it on to to Undersecretary Bisnar, because we will also try to fix those segments na may problema para mas bumilis yung traffic ng mga kababayan nating nagdi-detour muna kasi nga sarado tong pigatan. Undersecretary.
According po sa OIC Regional Director po natin, si Ma'am Rona Obiña, gagawan po to ng straight line diagram para po ma-identify ano po bang mga sections nitong detour na to ang kailangan i-upgrade at kailangan lagyan ng gravel o i-pave or i-concrete. So, within the day or two, magsasubmit po sila nito, Secretary, para po ma-actionan po natin.